Hi there, today we're going to be going through a self-waxing how-to using Miley's Honey Soft Wax Kit. First remove the lid and pop the wax in the heater. Whilst you're waiting for the wax to heat up, we can prep the strips. When working on smaller areas, it's best to cut the strips to a more manageable size. I cut each strip into 3 squares, but you can do what works best for you. Next, we're going to cleanse the skin with the pre-care gel. If the consistency of the wax appears runny and thin, it's most likely too hot. We want a consistency that closely resembles honey. You also want to check the temperature of the wax on your wrist before starting to make sure it's not too hot. Apply a thin layer of the wax with the edge of a spatula in the direction of the hair growth. Smooth the strip down and allow the wax to sit for a few seconds before removing the strip in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Lastly, we finish with some aftercare lotion. This contains aloe vera to help soothe and calm the skin. You can use the wax equipment cleaner to remove any residues off of the heater.